I don't think you need to always be in an industry that's sexy or that what people think is sexy on the outside, but it's more so what we're doing in it that's changing that perspective.
People don't consider it sexy because it's not exciting. It might not be sexy, and yet every single building has to have HVAC.
We're flipping what people have known as that traditional filter completely on its head. It's like we say, we're doing to HVAC filters what LEDs did to lighting. Lighting was super boring until LEDs came in and shifted people's perspective, and that's exactly what we're doing.